Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chili salt using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need about 1/4 cup of coarse sea salt and your choice of dried chili peppers, like arbol or guajillo. Make sure you also have a small pan for toasting, a spice grinder, and an airtight container ready for storage. This simple preparation ensures a flavorful result. Next, we'll toast our dried chili peppers to enhance their flavor. Place them in a dry pan over medium heat. Toast them gently for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until they become fragrant. Be careful not to burn them, as this can make the chili salt bitter. Once toasted, remove them from the heat and let them cool completely. This step is crucial for a deep, smoky taste. Now that your peppers are cool, it's time to grind them. Break the toasted chili peppers into smaller pieces, which helps with even grinding. Place them in your spice grinder and process until they form a coarse powder. You don't want it too fine, a little texture is good. Then, transfer the chili powder to a small bowl and thoroughly combine it with your coarse sea salt. Mix well to ensure an even distribution of flavor. Finally, let's talk about storage and how to enjoy your delicious homemade chili salt. Transfer your finished chili salt into an airtight container. Stored properly, it will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 3 months. This versatile seasoning is fantastic on fruits, vegetables, grilled meats, or even the rim of a cocktail glass. It adds a wonderful kick to almost anything. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.